Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix into a very easy step. Watch guys. Check the gas if there is any. So yeah, there is a gas. The next one is to clean this carburetor, and it could be the spark plug, but I'm gonna clean this carburetor. For every holes, just poke it. It makes sure this is clean. This is clean. And the rubber is properly aligned, but as you can see, it's dirty, so we have to clean this up with sandpaper. I do also replace the gas to make sure. To do also is just put a little gas on this spark plug. So we're gonna try if this going to start. So guys, as you can see, I'm working now perfectly. So that's the only easy fix that you can do, like what I have shown you. Hope this video will help you, and you can do something also for you to save some money from the professional to fix it or buy a new one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you like. Thank you.